Oh, it's a barra. Oh, I missed it. I reckon it's a flatty. Alright, stop it there. I know what you're thinking. Does this chick know what she's doing? But the truth is, it happens to the best of us. We take the good with the bad and the ugly with the beers. But hey, when it's good, there's some awesome rewards. Yes, beautiful size flatty. Oh my lord, look at it. Oh, wow. If this is your first time of tuning in, this is my first episode of Weekend Warrior. If you guys are loving what you're seeing, give me a like and a subscribe. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. Once again, the Crazy Flapper, 2.8 inch Japan custom worms. So if you guys want to search these fellas, pretty sure I got these from Anaconda mega years ago. Not sure if they got them now. 15 bucks. Ooh, shaker. Beer lizard, come on. I want a flatty. Yes, beautiful size flatty. Oh my lord, look at it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. How good is that? Oh my. Gorgeous. Yes. Guess what? We are having flathead wraps. It has finally happened. Look what I have manifested. Oh, wow. Let's put you down here. These accidents do happen and could end up in the drink. Wow. I reckon it's time to get the brag mac out. I've got that right on there. 55 and a half. 55. So did you know a fish that's 3 years old would be roughly around 40 centimeters flathead? Just a bit of info there. $55 and a half. You beauty. Oh, yep. Oh, missed. Damn. Didn't quite hook on. I reckon that would have been another flatty for sure. Bats are going crazy today. Sorry about that, guys, for the background noise of the bats. Good action, eh? Get this bad boy ready. 2 taps. Come on. I'm going to put that hook out a bit more. They're just not hooking up. Poke it out a bit. Oh, hello, look at this. That is so wrong. That's why I'm not hooking up. Hello, idiot. God damn. Well, here's something I prepared earlier. You know, it goes to show, replace your gear. God damn. These are owner hooks too. Obviously I've used it way too much. Let's actually get a fish this time. Can't believe that. All good. It's happening now. Lucky I've checked my hook. I was like, man, I need to set it better so the fish get hooked on, and hello, there's a good reason why they're not. Here we go. Oh, flathead! Oh my goodness me, that was big. That was a beautiful flatty. Ha ha ha. If that was caught on the camera, I will do a repeat of that. That was super cool. Let's get it back in there. Wow. So before I start cooking up some lunch, because I'm starting to get peckish, I'm just going to change it up and try the gulp. This time I'll be going for more the barra or mangrove jack. Could possibly get another flatty, but let's go the barra this time. And I feel as though the barra would like this today. So this is the 3-inch natural shrimp by Gulp. This pack's a bit old, so I'll be putting a bit of a scent on it, which again is by Gulp. It's just to freshen it up, I guess, after being in the packet for so long. So yeah, let's give it a crack. Oh, yep. Oh, oh, what's this? It's a barra. Oh, I missed it. Oh, Wasn't legal, but still, nearly got my barra I wanted. Damn it. Oh, 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 yes. Little flatty. Didn't think I'd get a flatty on this. Oh! Now this is a dusky. Oh, just lost it. Wasn't legal, but that had the one black dot on it. Dusty, they got to be 40 centimeters legal, where the sands and that other one, they are a minimum of 30 centimeters. So with that 55 one, I'm definitely in my limits of keeping. I'm pretty sure once they get to 70, you can't keep them. I'll have to look at that. Oh. So what you want to do is make sure it drops to that bottom, and as it's dropping, I give it a slow wind, and then once it hits the bottom, flick, flick. Oh, there's a hit. I think I got it. Yep, I did. Get the net. Another flatty. Come on, baby. Oh, it's a good size too. Big dusky. Good. Now I get to show you the difference. Oops. Yep. Oh dear. Oh dear. Get the head in. Get the head in. There we go. Not a dusky. Good size. It's got that distinctive one dot. Kick him on there. This one's just a bit smaller. 52 on the bottom. Well, I think it's time to eat. Let's cook up some lunch. Looking good. Let's do this. Some cheese. Flatty. Some green stuff. Baby spinach. Yummy. mayo. Beautiful. Now that is good. Well guys, that's a wrap. If you guys enjoy my first episode, you know what to do, and I'll see you next time. Until then, all the best. Thank you.